Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe and staying warm, because it is cold out by me. Here we go. Oh, baby. Got another one of these coming from SOVMIKU. Oh, yeah. Definitely need one of these for your home, your business. Protect your home for the bad guys, and you'll feel safe. You can track your kids, your pets. Put this anywhere. Small businesses, Wi-Fi, smart camera, real-time remote viewing. Let's take a look at this. Drop you guys down a little. Here we go. So we got a bunch of goodies inside. Got the manual. I'll grab my other phone because we're going to install the app and everything. It's too cold to install cameras today. Thank God I have enough outside right now. But we'll set it up and everything. But yeah, it's -3 degrees out here in Detroit, so it is too cold to be doing anything outside. Here we go. Oh, this is super light. All right. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Make sure you take out the cover here and here. But yeah, this is definitely antenna. Those bulbs. Have the SD slot. I think the reset key. Yeah. SD reset. Really nice. So thank you guys over at SOVMIKU for sending me this unit. Here. Ethernet power. We know how to work this. So let me grab my phone and do the install on the app, and then brief setup. Like I said, I wish I could install it today, but it is too cold. Maybe in the springtime, a few months away, but right now, yeah, no. There we go. Maybe in the garage I could do it. So like I said, there's going to be an app. Should take you a second page. Yeah, there's an app right there. ICC app. I scan QR code. Easy setup. I'll be right back.
Wait to be configured.
See right now.
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instruction.
Yeah, right now it's in startup mode. I just had to grab my phone. Right here. Backup phone. Download the app really quick. I might still have it downloaded from the other cameras I have, but there's.
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instructions.
What do you think I'm trying to do? Calm down. Open link. Yep, it's under there. I see. Install. Should take a second to install.
Waiting for connection.
Oh,
please
calm down.
Configure the network according to the instructions.
Okay, we heard you. We heard you loud and clear. Open. Agree. I want to see my old ID works. See, it's basic. Visitor login.
Waiting for connection. Please configure. Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instruction.
Boom. Right away, once you sign up and log in, it's going to recognize it.
Please input wireless router password and click OK.
Let me switch.
Waiting for connection. Please configure the network according to the instruction. Please input wireless router password and click OK. Read.
There we go. It's connecting.
Connect to router successfully.
Yahoo! That's a good sign. That was really quick. Now we're going to call the garage because I think I might install it there. Regular configure wizard. Completed. Set. Allow. You can have your notifications, stuff like that. I would recommend that just because of you never know. Got everything set up here. The PTZ motion tracking, PTZ reverse cruise control, which is really cool. And they got a cloud service for. There we go. Make sure. Because right now it says to calibrate initializing. Just make sure you have it like this. So it can go, does its thing. So take a second. Almost done. Right about now. Here we go. Here we go. This is kind of awkward holding it. Here we go. Let's see, it's doing its thing. Oh. Alright, I'm going to point it up. Drag the icon. Figure out position. Okay. Confirm. And it's going to ask you for upgrade. Upgrade. Might as well do everything at once before you do the install. So it's going to take a second. I'll put you guys on pause. Alright guys, we got everything set up. Installed. Oh, don't mind my hand. We have here the strobe light. We'll do sensitive. Let's see. I'm going to test this out. Alright guys, now we got into the app and it's pretty sweet. Don't mind my hand. You can do strobe light settings. They got a lot of cool features in this. Full light. You can do infrared. I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. Double light area. You can press talk while using the app. Hello. Ooh. Ah. Okay, that's enough of that. And you're going to do the PTV. Flip down. Flip right. And you can do motion tracking. Sensitivity. You can also do cruise control. You can make your own scenarios. And also playback. Real time. And you can also flip it. Oh, test the light. You can watch it like this.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Ah. Uh-oh, stand back. Say hello to the camera. See, you can wave at it. There you go. Well, there's different ones you could choose from also. But I'm going to try to put this in the garage, and then we can see how the lights work and everything. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I did install it in the garage. I'll show you when the lights come on in about 2 seconds. Alright guys, we're going in the garage. Watch this. Don't fall. It'll talk once you get into the area where you're not supposed to be. Got no lights on. Watch this. Whoa.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Freeze! Yeah, it's super bright. Then it'll alert you to your phone and everything, so it's really cold in the garage. Got it in there. Really cool.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Ah! Alright. So, there you have it. It's really cold. I'm going in the house. You can still see
You
it.
have entered the monitoring area.
Oh, I know. Here we go. Oh my God, it's so cold. Alright. So there you have
You
it.
have entered the monitoring area.
It's pretty bright. Alright, YouTubers, have a good night.